All right, this is my Kenmore dryer. About 15 years old. It started making a squeaking noise about a month ago. I replaced the motor, the belt, the tension pulley, and even after all that, still makes a horrible noise for the first 30 seconds. My helper. All right, so at this point, it will run for the next 40, 50, 60 minutes. No more noises. It's just that initial noise. I then replaced the metal ball bearing in the back that attaches to the drum. Here within the actual dryer, I replaced the felt strips that are on the inside of the drum up here, upper and lower. I've taken the heat shield off the back and re-secured it to make sure. I actually took these bolts, the default screws that came with this. On the back side is the bearing. I took the original cheap screws out and put actual lag bolts in with washers to make sure they were nice and tight and secure. It still makes heat. It just makes that horrible noise for the first about 30, 45 seconds to a minute. And as you can see, started back up and it's fine. Any help is greatly appreciated.